Hi guys, we are here in Sweden, in Skövde, for the third round of World Enduro Championship. It's been quite a long drive for come here, 2 days and a half for the track, 2 days for the van, so it's quite far from home, but it's a beautiful place. Just really cold, it's like winter at home. Yesterday was 3 degrees. Test looks really cool, typical Sweden test. So we are ready and pumped for this race.
Pretty slippery. I don't know, it's interesting. We'll see, like it's survival. Not really an accurate reading of who's the fastest, but I think who's the most consistent. So we'll see how it goes tonight. See the sun out? Pretty happy, pretty stoked. A lot of hard work to get here, so it's nice to see it pay off, and yeah, just gonna give it all tomorrow and see how that goes as well, so really stoked.
Good week for me. It was a difficult race, but I am very happy with my result. 2 and 2 class and 8 and 6 overall. The race was very difficult with the test completely destroyed, but no, I am happy, and thank you all the team, and see you in UK.
The weekend was quite better than in Spain. In Spain I struggled a lot all the weekend, and this weekend I managed to find some solution to be in the top 15 scratch every day. I finished P4, E3 both days, and 12 and 6. I need to be in this position all the races, so not so bad weekend.
Good weekend for me. The first day I lose some many seconds in the extreme, but I'm happy. And the second day, yeah, ride start a little bit not my best riding, but after finish good and push for the finish in the podium. I finished third today and 7 on scratch. I'm happy, and we see the next GP.
Yeah, here we are. Fucking good weekend for me. Third yesterday, in the overall fourth today, and winning both days in my class, so super stoked with that. We're just riding like how I should be riding. A little bit difficult in the cross test for me, but made some time back in the enduro. Yeah, bit of a shame really for that, because we could have been pushing some real good times with the with the other boys. So really happy, really positive weekend, and looking forward to Wales in a few weeks' time. So stoked.